Tonight, we're not just looking at a vintage van, we're standing in front of a cultural icon, a rolling piece of 1960s optimism, an automotive time capsule that doesn't just transport passengers, it transports eras. This is the 1964 Volkswagen Type 221 Window Deluxe, better known to the world as the Samba, and this one is the real deal. Finished in factory-correct sealing wax red and beige, this ultra-rare 2-1 Window Deluxe sits like a piece of moving art. The two-tone paint is not loud, not flashy, just confident, elegant, period, perfect. The chrome trim glistens subtly against the soft curves of the body, and those 14-inch factory-style wheels anchor the stance with vintage authenticity. There's no aggression here, no forced performance persona, just pure character. But what truly separates a standard Type 2 from a Samba are the windows. 21 panes of glass, 8 side windows, the split windshield up front, rear corner glass wrapping the back like a panoramic lounge, and above, the magic 8 skylight windows that flood the cabin with natural light. Slide back the full-length fabric sunroof, and suddenly the sky becomes part of the interior. It's not just transportation, it's an open-air experience engineered in 1964. Step inside and you're immediately reminded that simplicity can be luxurious in its own way. The silver beige vinyl interior is factory correct and beautifully executed. Bench seating stretches across the cabin, inviting conversation rather than isolation. The upright seating position gives you a commanding view of the road ahead, framed by that iconic split windshield. The painted metal dash is minimalist and honest, centered by a classic horizontal speedometer and an AM radio, because in 1964, that was all you needed. There are no touchscreens, no driver assists, no insulation hiding the mechanical heartbeat, and that's precisely the point. Turn the key and the period-correct 1,500cc air-cooled flat 4 engine comes to life behind you with that unmistakable Volkswagen hum. It's mechanical, it's raw, it's alive. This example features upgraded cylinder heads and a traditional one-barrel carburetor, preserving its character while enhancing reliability and drivability. Paired to a 4-speed manual transmission, every shift is intentional. Every gear change connects you directly to the machine. You don't rush a Samba. You guide it out on the road. Drum brakes remind you of the era this bus was born in. Steering is light but communicative. The engine note hums gently as you cruise comfortably at classic highway speeds. 55 miles per hour feels like an event. With the sunroof open and skylight windows illuminating the cabin, the entire drive becomes cinematic. Light dances across the vinyl seats, air flows freely, conversations feel richer, even the simplest road feels like Route 66. And that's why the 2-1 Window Deluxe commands such reverence today. This wasn't the base model. In 1964, the Samba represented the top of the Type 2 lineup, the most luxurious, most expressive version of Volkswagen's people mover. It carried families, surfers, dreamers, musicians. It became a symbol of freedom long before freedom was marketed. The silhouette alone, rounded nose, giant VW emblem, endless glass, is recognized worldwide. Even people who don't follow cars know this shape. Collectors understand something deeper. Authenticity matters. And this example stays true to its roots. Factory correct sealing, wax red and beige paint, silver beige vinyl interior, bench seating, AM radio, heat, period appropriate engine configuration. This is not a heavily modified resto mod chasing modern trends. It's a faithful tribute to how these icons were meant to feel. At $82,995, this Samba sits firmly in serious collector territory. But in the world of authentic 2-1 Window Deluxe buses, that price reflects rarity, craftsmanship, and demand. Restoration costs alone can be staggering. True Sambas, not conversions, not replicas, remain some of the most sought-after classic Volkswagens on the planet. Values have remained strong because nostalgia never goes out of style, and supply will never increase. But beyond investment, there's emotion. Close the sliding door, sit in the driver's seat, wrap your hands around the thin steering wheel, look through that split windshield as the world passes in wide-angle perspective. There's something grounding about it, something human. You're not isolated from the environment, you're immersed in it. Modern vehicles isolate, the Samba connects. Every reflection in those 21 windows tells a story. Every mile feels earned. Every stoplight becomes a conversation starter strangers wave. Cameras come out, smiles appear effortlessly. This isn't just a vehicle you own, it's an experience you share. The 1964 2.1 Window Deluxe isn't about horsepower numbers, it's about heritage, it's about craftsmanship from an era when simplicity defined beauty. Oh, it's about loading up your friends, sliding back the sunroof, and chasing sunsets without a destination programmed into a screen. It represents a time when the journey mattered more than the arrival. And this particular example, with its correct color combination, upgraded yet faithful 1,500cc engine, 4-speed manual transmission, drum brakes, factory-style wheels, and beautifully executed silver beige interior, captures that spirit perfectly. In a world obsessed with speed, this Samba reminds us to slow down. In a world obsessed with complexity, it reminds us that elegance can be simple. And in a world moving faster every year, it stands still, timeless, iconic, unforgettable. This isn't just a 1964 Volkswagen Type 221 Window Deluxe. It's freedom on 4 wheels. And if you're lucky enough to own one, you don't just drive history, you live it.